Hello, welcome all. You all must have seen that the mails from most of the companies use the images in them. They have a number of images in their mail. So we can also embed an image in our mail, but that you have to do some setting. For that, first go to your Gmail account and in Compose Mail. In Compose Mail, first click this rich formatting option on the top of message body. It will open some tools. So if you have image embed tool here, upload image, then it's okay, but if you not, you have to enable it through a setting option. For that, just go to your setting through this options, click mail setting. In mail setting, there are tabs at the upper side of the window. Click labs. In the lab, there is a list of tools that you can use with Gmail. You have to enable or disable the tools that you want to use or not. So you can just search all the tools, but for the image, just come here on the search box and type image. It will show you the list with the image options. Now there's only one option, inserting image, and it is displayed here that allows you to insert image into message body and rest of the thing. So just enable it. It is currently disabled. Enable it and click save changes. Then again come to your compose mail. Now you can see that here is the option insert image that we don't have previous in previous attempt. Just click it. It will ask you to upload an image through my computer or web address. If I want to use my computer, click choose file, then in my computer click, and if I want to use this, click OK. It will take some time to upload, so be patient. Click OK and see, here's your image. Now you can type anything in the message body here, and that's all.